I am going to show it how to convert the AC adapter from DC to AC. And this is the adapter that this device uses. It has a multi-selector switch for the AC DC for the polarity, and for the volts it has multi-volts from 1.5 volts to 12 volts DC. Now I am going to show it to you how to convert this to AC, but I am strongly recommend to you to use the original adapter for this model, because if you are using a generic one, it will damage the device, especially if you don't know what is the specs. Anyway, just want to share this to you. If you do not have original adapter, I will show it to you how to convert. Like for example, for this one is a DC adapter, and I will make it AC supply, not DC. And of course, if you do have any kind of transformer type adapter, this one is heavy, the transformer type adapter. The SNPS or switching mode power supply adapter is not capable for this method, no? Because it's different. Like for example, this one is SNPS adapter, and this is not transformer type adapter. It's different because the SNPS adapter, from the inside it's only board and chopper, like for this one, chopper and the electronics components. For this one, it has transformer inside. I'm gonna show it to you. Again, I recommend to use the original AC adapter for this model. Some of the users doesn't know about this, about the power supply AC or DC. I'm making this video for you. This is what I am talking about, the transformer type. It has no boards like this chopper. This one is the small transformer and it's called chopper. But this one is transformer, big transformer, not small. So this one is MPS. This one is transformer type. Let me check. As you can see, it has a lot of copper wires here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 lines, and one line is common and the other line is for the volts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us check the selector switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So it has 7 output. Now what I am going to do, just to get only the 9 volts AC. How? We are going to check which 9 volts line on this transformer. Common line is over here. It has 0 and 12. Now let us check. We only need 9 volts. This one is 4. Next 5. Next 6. Next 8. Next 9. So we only need these 2 lines. This one 0, the common, and this one 9 volts. Okay, what I'm going to do is I put markings on that side. This one and this one. Let me double check. As you can see guys, no, this one is 9 volts AC. AC, volts AC. Because if you measure it from here, this is actually the line for the output, the main output, the final output, and the volts is DC. Okay, so I will just put it in DC, and we get 13 volts DC. As you can see here, DC. Okay, what we need only is 9 volts AC, because the requirement of this device is AC 9 volts. Alright, so I will just unplug the power cord. Actually, AC has no polarity, so don't worry about the positive and negative. Okay, now I am going to connect this to here. This is our common line here, and 9 volts is here. Some of the DC adapter has only 2 lines. At this time, it has multiple outputs and it has a multiple volts to select. But if you do have like 2 lines only, like for example, if you have a DC 12 volts adapter, it can be used on this unit. You have to do is just follow what I did on this transformer. Okay, now we already connected the line to 0 and 9 volts. I'm just gonna add solder over here. Actually, I put direct the output, this wire, and the end is on this connector. I put directly to the output from the transformer. It is not goes to any components on this side. It's only on this transformer line. Actually, you can cut the line Like for example, you have to cut this, no problem, it's okay. You have to cut this, no problem, it's okay. And let's check the output. I will just plug the power cord and let us check the output. Our digital tester is set to AC. Let us check. Now we get 9 volt. Now we get 9.5 volts. Even if you select from here, it will not affect the output because we soldered it directly to the main transformer line. It will not affect even if you choose any options on this selector switch. Okay, so if you do have analog tester like this, you have to set it to AC 10. AC 10. And let me grab the test probe. Check. 9 volts. Okay guys, so regarding this AC adapter, you have to be careful and make it sure that the ampere is okay. Actually, the amperage of this adapter is only 1 ampere. As you can see, it's written here 1000 mA, 1000 milliampere. If you convert it to ampere, it is only 1 ampere. So this adapter, it works somehow, but it requires a bigger one because if not, it will overheat. Okay guys, so hope you learned something about this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.